Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Yasser Ahmed. So in this video we will finish off the ICT IGCSE paper from October-November 2021. We will be doing a presentation part of this paper. If you check out the previous videos, guys, I've already completed a document production part, data manipulation and mail merge sections. So let's go down to, I think, page 11. Okay, and as I said, we are going to be doing task 6, presentation. Okay, so you're going to create a short presentation. All slides must have a consistent layout and formatting unless otherwise instructed. Slides must be formatted to display a title and a bulleted list. Okay, so before we can start, what we need to do is just open up a PowerPoint presentation or the application. And what we need to do is we need to create a presentation of 6 slides using this file here, so n210.champs.rtf. Okay, so what we can do is just open up your PowerPoint presentation application, go to open, let's go to the source folder, and it's really important you select all files. And once you've done that, you can select the correct RTF file. And this should give us how many slides? Was it 6 slides? Yep. Okay, so let's see what we have. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to just save this before we continue into my source folder. Yep, this is the right folder, just save, and we're good to continue on. Okay, so place in the header your name, center number and candidate number. Make sure the header appears in the same position on every slide. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a slide master to include the header details. So if I just go to actually let me just search slide master, so slide master view, and once you go into slide master, what you want to do is go to top level slide. So if you're on a top level slide, it means anything that you do on this slide will appear on any other slide. So let me show you as an example. So if I was to pull like a little star here, for example, you see it's appeared on every other layout, and if I close this, you can see stars appeared on every slide. So if we go back to view, slide master, you can do it like this as well. What we want to do is we want to include your name, center number and candidate number in the same position on every slide. So I'm going to enter the details into here, but before we do so, I need to click on insert, head and footer, and select this box here so it becomes active, and then we can insert the relevant details. So there's my name, center number 5678, candidate number 1234. Obviously, guys, in the exam you'd write in your own details. If you want, you can just make the text a little bit darker, change the color to black, increase the size of the text so it's more visible, and then you can close the slide master so you can check each slide. Yes, I can see my name appears at the bottom. Great. Okay, so question 27. Change the layout of the slide with the title International Skills Competitions to a title and table. Okay, I don't think there is such a template for a table. So what we can do is to a title and a table. So what we can do is just basically have title only. Oh, that's not what we want. There we go. And what we're going to do now is we are going to create a table that contains 4 columns and 7 rows. So insert table, 4 columns and 7 rows. Let me double check if that's right. Yes, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's move this below the title. Okay. Now the next thing we need to do is copy the data from the file n210.2comps and place this into the table. So, is it a CSV file? Yeah. So 4 columns, 7 rows. So let's just copy. And let's just do a paste. Yeah, that's fine. And I think we'll probably have to format this table now. So yeah, so format the table so that a plain table style is applied. So let's take out the shading, no fill. No text is wrapped within the table. So yeah, the text is not wrapped, that's where it comes underneath itself, and it's not right now. The table fits on a slide with all data fully visible. All internal and external grid lines are displayed when printed. So let's put the borders in. Okay, is there anything about formatting the text? No text is wrapped within the table, all the table fits on a slide. So far so good, okay? Right, question 29, we need to add to the table, so insert a row as the first row of the table. So if I just click on insert above, merge the cells in the first row and enter the text Euro skills and word skills, so rows 1 and 2 look like this. Okay, so you can see this is going to be merged across 2 columns, and this will be merged across 2 columns. Okay, so let's go ahead and merge these cells. I can copy and paste. Obviously you guys would have to type in this information if you were doing this exam. And I'm just going to change the text color to black. Your skills, word skills. I'm just going to take off the bold settings. Okay, there we go. Okay, year location should be, yeah, I'm just checking the alignment matches up so far. Okay, done. Okay, so format the table so all rows are 1.5 centimeters high. I'm just going to go to table design. On layout, let me double check the layout. Okay, let's just see if this is the option that we're looking for. So we want to make each row 1.5 centimeters high. So there we go. Yeah, that was what we were looking to do. Okay, what's the next thing? Text in all rows is center aligned vertically and horizontally. Okay, so if I highlight this and if I click on this option here, so you can see all of the text is center aligned going across, and then we also need to make it vertically, so which means the text is in the middle of the cell, so we can click on this option as well. Yeah, so the text is aligned horizontally and vertically center aligned. Yeah, that's done. Fantastic. Add the following text as presenter speaker notes for the slide with the title International Skills Competitions. So let me just copy that. So I'm just going to drag in this box from the bottom and we can add some notes. Print only this slide as presenter speaker notes. So if I go to File, Print, we could say current slide if you wanted to, and select notes pages. So you can see it's printed as a full slide with the notes as well. So this is what we're looking to do. Okay. Yeah, once you've printed it off, check it off, see if there's any mistakes. With regards to text wrap, this is what it means by text wrapping. So obviously if text wraps, just make sure you increase the size of your table so no text is wrapping. Okay. Okay, so that's the first printout done. We have to save the presentation and then print all slides in the presentation as a handout using a layout of 6 slides to the page. Okay, so we can go to File and Print all the slides, 6 slides, and yes, we can go ahead and print this, and that's it. We've come to the end of the PowerPoint section of this paper, total of 13 marks, and we've come to the end of this paper 2 from October, November 2021. So I think in general this was quite a straightforward paper, nothing too complicated, very predictable, and pretty much what we've done in the past with paper 2. Okay guys, take care and thank you for your time. Please drop your comments below. Good luck in your exams and take care. Thank you. Bye bye.